Crossfade. When two pieces of audio overlap, one lowering while the other raises in volume, it is known as a crossfade. To create a crossfade in Final Cut Pro, double-click a clip to expand the audio. Click and drag the edge of the audio to extend the clip. This creates the overlap, or cross. To add the fade, click and drag the fade handle for each clip. That is a crossfade. With the 10.4.9 update, accomplish all of those steps with a single Create Crossfade command. Select the clips, click Modify, Audio Fades, Crossfade, or use the shortcut Option T. Press play to hear the crossfade, or use Ctrl S to expand the audio, which visually displays the crossfade in the timeline. To remove the fades, go to Modify, Adjust Audio Fades, Remove Fades. To remove the overlapping audio, press C to select the clip under the playhead, Option left bracket to trim the audio to the playhead, Command down arrow to select the clip below, Option right bracket to trim the end. By default, the crossfade is short, but you can modify the duration by going to Final Cut Pro Preferences, Editing. Let's try 1 second. To apply the crossfade, press the / key to select the edit point, then use Option T to apply the crossfade with the longer duration. What audio editing tips do you have? Leave them down in the comments.